Hello everyone, I am Mr. M from Jet4Dev. In this video, I will explain you how to open CSV in QGIS. Firstly, at the top left of screen, click Open Data Source Manager. At the left panel, choose Delimited Text. Click Bulk File. I will give you a file below this video. Choose File and then click Open. After that, choose Encoding. I use UTF-8 encoding for this file. Click Geometry Definition and then choose Add Field. I choose longitude and Y field I choose latitude, and define coordinate reference system. I use EPSG 4326. Simple data will show here. And now click Add. Close this window. CSV data will show in the map. And you can right click, open attribute table like a shapefile. If you want to export data to another format, right click on Layer, Export, Save Feature As. You can choose format which you want to export here, and then save. I have to go for now. Don't forget, comment, like, share and subscribe to my channel. Bye bye สวัสดีครับ